Hey everyone! Welcome back to another fantastic video on our channel. Today, we're going to explore a life-changing habit tracker template that'll help you build better habits and crush your goals like never before. So, if you're ready to take control of your daily routine and make lasting changes, stick around, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, and let's dive right in. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest tips and tricks. Without further ado, let's get tracking. Right here, you'll find a complete dashboard to track your daily habits. This section is organized into 6 main pages, covering all areas of your routines. Let's start by taking a look at the weekly habits tracker. Here, your habits are organized by theme, with 12 different themes to choose from. However, you can also remove or create additional themes based on your lifestyle. Before creating a new page, remember to click on the blue arrow at the top right of the database and set the existing template page as default by selecting the 3 dots next to it. To create a new page, simply click on the New button, and the page content will be updated automatically. Rename the page as you wish and choose a cover by bringing up the property menu. You can also add an image by uploading a file from your computer or pasting a web link image. Once you have selected the right cover to illustrate your new theme, you can start adding your habits to the corresponding space. To add a new habit tracker week, simply click on the Add a New Habit Tracker Week button. You can rename it by the week number to distinguish it from your archive page. To move an old table to an archive page, go to the 6 dots at the top left of your database and drag it to the corresponding page based on the year and quarter. The Daily Goals tracker below works exactly the same as the Weekly Habits tracker, with the exception that there is no archive page. The days will come and go depending on your habits. Before you create a new line, remember to set the existing template as default. To create a new line, simply click on the New button, and the date of the day will automatically appear as the name. The Weekly Goals Achievement section helps you define your main goals for the week. To add a new goal, open a week page and click on Add a Property. Then, choose the checkbox property and rename it to your new achievement goal. To make your new goal appear, click on the 3 dots next to the blue button at the top right of this database. From there, you can edit the properties that appear in your dashboard by clicking on the I button. To set up the 365 Days Habits Challenge, start by choosing the habit that will mark your year. This could be anything from drinking 3 liters of water, walking 2 miles a day, or sketching a drawing in your sketchbook. Add it to the corresponding space, and don't forget to write the current year. Now you can track your yearly challenge daily. To archive it, simply move it to the corresponding year page, and click on the Add a New Year button to create a new empty year table. You can build a morning and night routine and track it daily. In the respective sections, you'll find existing habits that you can follow for your lifestyle. You can also customize your own habits, and I'll show you how to do it. Simply click on the Configuration button at the right of your habits generator to open the configuration mode. From there, bring up the routine line and open the Habits to Track page. You can now rename all your habits by writing them into the right space. Just remember to close the configuration mode before clicking on Add a New Month, as this routine line works monthly. you'll find a report board at the top and 4 tables by week. Rename the first table as a month, and once it's finished, move the routine line to the archive page. The skincare tracker section is organized into 3 different databases. The first one you need to configure before using is the product tracker. You'll need to enter 8 different products. To customize one of them, simply click on it and enter the necessary information, such as the product name and open date. Based on the end date you enter, the database will automatically calculate how many days you have before the expiry date. You can also add a personal rating from 1 to 5 stars, and check the checkbox if you are currently using the product, otherwise leave it empty. Finally, to add a cover, simply bring up the property menu and click on the corresponding property to add an image from your personal files or by embedding a web link image. Now you're ready to start tracking your skincare routine. At the end of the week, you can restore the week table by clicking on the button just above it. Build a skincare calendar to track your progress and key results day after day. Before creating a new day page, click on the blue arrow at the top right of the database and set the existing template page as default by selecting the 3 dots next to it. Then click on the New button. You don't need to rename the page because it won't appear on the dashboard, and the date will automatically appear. Enter your skin rating and the current environmental parameters, and you can also upload an image of your face into the corresponding space. This image will appear on the dashboard. To configure your weekly nutrition tracker, click on the configuration button at the right of your habits generator to open the configuration mode. From there, to customize the existing habits, simply click on the page to access the property menu. Select the habit you need to change, and click on Rename to write a new one. Once you've made the necessary changes, don't forget to close the configuration mode. And remember to add the week's number before archiving the Nutrition Week table. This section works the same way as the previous one. In the Fitness Habit section, you'll also find a weekly walking tracker. You can customize distance objectives to fit them according to your lifestyle. Simply click on the right goal to rename it. Your Health Hub allows you to have an overview of your medication journey, track your vitamins, and monitor your measurements. To add a new drug to your meds tracker, simply click on the New button depending on where you need to add it. This database is organized into 5 periods of the day. After creating a new drug page, click on Open in a side peek to access the properties. From there, you can add information about the medication, such as the name of the drug, a reminder time, dosage, the amount of active ingredient for a dose, the recommended use, and the targeted body issues. Now your medication board is ready. You can easily drag the drugs from one column to the other to adapt your medication journey according to your week. To start using the vitamin tracker, create a new page and rename it with the name of the vitamin. Then, simply write the dosage and enter the date of your next intake of vitamins. You can include a reminder to ensure you're notified by Notion. This way, you'll receive a notification. Just remember to allow access from your phone settings.